Hello, record wranglers. Have you heard about regulatory records but could never find them in Microsoft Purview? Well, indeed. By default, this feature is disabled. And maybe for a good reason, but that is the subject of a different video. In this video, I'm going to show you a default behavior first, and then I'm going to teach you how to enable regulatory records in your tenant. Let's roll. Let's create a retention label. Just going to skip ahead and accept all of the defaults. So here we are. As you can see, the only option is the regular retention and mark items as a record. The regulatory records would be on this page, but they are not available. To enable regulatory records, we'll have to use PowerShell. This is the only option that is currently available. We will need to use ExchangeOnlineManagement module to connect to the Compliance Center. If you haven't installed it yet, install this module and then import it, and then connect to your tenant using IPPSSession. Now we're going to run the Set-RegulatoryComplianceUI command, and that's what enables the regulatory records. This setting takes effect right away. You can actually verify it by running the get-regulatory-compliance-UI command. And as you see, the enable is set to true. Now we're going to verify that by going and creating a retention label. And we're going to skip ahead and accept all of the defaults. And here you are on this page. You can see that there is a third option that was added, and that is your regulatory record.